you record a video and would like to record sound to it, like music or something else. In another case, you may have a video that you'd like to remove the sound or make the sound louder or softer. In this video, we will look at how to do that with the free video editor Shotcut, although these techniques would be similar in most any other full-featured video editor. Jeez, this guy goes on and on about liking, subscribing. Man, hi, Dennis Ray here. Be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. As I mentioned earlier, we'll use Shotcut to add sound to a video. You could record a video without sound and do your narration separately and then edit, or like in my example, add music to a video. The process is the same for both. Shotcut is an open source, full-featured video editor you can download and use for free. I'll put a link for its website in the description below. My sample video is a shameless self-promotion of the Dentistry Channel. I add the video to Shotcut by putting it into the playlist, and then I'll add my music file, which is a MP3 file which I got from the YouTube library. And the next thing I'll do is move the video file down into the timeline. And then I want to make a timeline for the music file, so I would go to these three lines, which is timeline menu. Click on that. Track operations, add a audio track, and that adds a audio timeline right below the video timeline right down here. And then I'm going to move my music file down into that timeline. Now, if I play this, you'll hear me talking in the video file. And you'll also hear the music file, Linux operating systems, Windows apps and program. Okay, but the music is too loud. It's overwhelming the audio track in the video file. So I want to cut down the volume in that. So what I'll do, I'll select the audio file, go up to filters, select the filter tab, go to plus, and I want to find gain volume. And actually, I don't want to gain it. I want to make the volume lower by making it minus below 0. So in this, I can move it down further, and I want to move it down to, well, let's try minus 30. And we can check that out. So let's play that and see how that sounds. It's about backing up, screen recorders, system maintenance, uninstallers, privacy. A little too low. Can't even hardly hear there's any music there. So let's move it up to, let's try 25. Computer viruses, media players, image viewers. I think that's pretty good. You can hear me talking there, and you can hear the music faintly in the background, and it's not too loud, not too soft. Yeah, I think that's good. So now we want to do some editing of the music some more, where to place it. Now we have part of the beginning here that we want to trim down. Now there's two ways of trimming in Shotcut. We can either take this and move it. That's one way of trimming. Or we can go up to this split at playhead where we move, where you want to trim this, hit that, select that area that you want to hit with by hitting the right button on your mouse and then the left button, remove, and it removed it. And now I want to move it where I want that to start underneath the video file. And I want to start right where I start talking. There. Okay. And then there's one problem yet to solve here. The music just all of a sudden starts, as you can see. This is the Dentistry Channel. It has all. So I want it to fade in, not just all of a sudden start like that. So I got my music file still selected. Go to the Filters tab again. Make sure that's selected. Plus, and I want to look for Fade in Audio. Okay. And now you can see it made a little triangle on there, meaning that it's going to fade in. Fade in 1 second. I want a bit more than that. I think I want around 3 seconds. So I'm hitting the plus icon. Make the time go up to 3. Okay, and you can see the triangle moved a bit further on down the line. Let's see how that sounds. This is the Dentistry Channel. It has all kinds of crap. Information about. Okay, good. So it faded in the music. Now let's go to the end there. Do a little editing there too. You can see the music file is much longer than the video file. So let's take care of that too. We're going to remove some of the music file by going there, trimming that off, going back to this, split at playhead. Again, left button, right button, remove. Okay, now we want that to fade out just like the fade in, so we're going to go to Filters again. Oh, we have to select the audio file. Filters plus fade out audio. Select that. And we have the triangle there. 1 second. And I'm going to go to 3 again. Oop. Okay, there. Yeah, let's see how that sounds. About YouTube and so much more. Oh, that's nice. Great. And now all I have to do is go to Export and export it to my desktop or video folder, and there it is. And it's saved. After I'm done exporting it, we'll take a look at the video that we just got done editing. This is the Dentistry Channel. It has all kinds of crap. Information about Linux operating systems, Windows apps and programs, about backing up, screen recorders, system maintenance, uninstallers, privacy, computer viruses, media players, image viewers, office suites, file managers, cursor highlighters, even information about YouTube and so much more. Okay, they came out pretty good. Now let's talk about how to remove the sound from a video. So I selected my same sample video, put it in the playlist, and I'll move that down in the timeline. And then if I right click on it, I can go to More, Detach Audio. That moves audio down into its own timeline below the video timeline. And I'll go to the left area, right click on that, go to Track Operations, Remove Track, and that got rid of the audio timeline, and now we have a video without sound. You can check it out. Nope, nothing. And then we can export it, and we'll have the video, as I said, without sound. And that, folks, is how to add sound and remove sound to a video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Take care.